Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Doki Literature Club. Can't believe we're playing it again. Let's get right into it. Load. And here. We're still in the fight. What's the point in making your poems all convoluted for no reason? That means you should jump out as a reader, not force them to have to figure it out. Have you explained that to her, Peanut? Wait, there's a reason why I have so many deep and excessive words in that language. It's the only way to convey complex feelings and meaning the most effectively. Avoiding them is not only unnecessarily limiting yourself, it's also a waste. You understand that, breaking up? Wow. How did I get dragged into this in the first place? It's not like I know anything about writing. To whomever I agree with, they'll probably think more highly of me. Help me, Sayori! Can't take me off seat. Yuri. You're really talented. Well, but Natsuki has a point. I think that I rack my brain in an attempt to back myself up. I think that conveying feelings with few words can just be as impressive as well. It lets the reader's imagination take over. And Natsuki's poem did do a really good job of that. Yeah. It did, didn't it? So I'm not you now. So that's not Natsuki. I think that's enough. Me? She's so mean to me. Natsuki's voice whines. Look. What we talked about yesterday was right. Writing is really a personal thing. And sharing that can definitely be hard. It looks like we have learned that today. Even small criticism can lead to something pretty heated. I glance over my shoulder. Sayori is nodding vigorously. Yeah, so. You don't need to feel threatened. You get that right. Natsuki gets caught up in surprise. Thanks for noticing. She finally murmurs that very audible.
Hey Lily, what is that?
Yuri.
It's a dragon? I got it.
Who's this? Who's that on? Yuri. Yuri looks at me dejectedly. With words like that, I can't help but feel bad for her as well. I'm sure that Natsuki didn't mean everything she said. You don't need to feel threatened either. Well, if you say so. Hey. Not like you need apologies for my pain. Sheesh. Natsuki takes a breath. The thing about, Natsuki glances around the room. But everybody stops staring at me. Unsurprisingly, Natsuki has a harder time with it than she boasted. Sayori and Monica look away. Anyway, the thing about it, I didn't mean okay. That's all. Natsuki looks away at my avoiding eye contact. Yeah, your dad's really beautiful, Yuri. Sayori, I'll go make some tea. Huh? I'm just trying to help. I'm sure she appreciated Sayori. I pat Sayori on the shoulder. Well, now that we're past that, everyone. Everyone's read each other's poems, right? I hope that was worthwhile for everyone. Especially you, Peanut. And to be honest, it's a nice change of pace and laying around when we got a little too used to. Awesome, joining the club was responsible for riveting the atmosphere. No, not at all, not at all. There's still time before we go home. We're all relaxed with it. Of course, besides trying to do literature-related things in our club room. So you can maybe take a chance to pick up a book or to train. After all, that's what a club is for. I disagree, Monica. What about that? It's not exactly the important thing about the literature club. The most important thing is having fun. Class. Well, I guess you're vice president, then Sayori. In the end, though, Monica's right. Being in the literature club probably means I can't spend all my time doing nothing. But in the end, I guess it's been worth it so far. Okay, everyone. It's just about time for us to leave. How do y'all feel about sharing poems? It was a lot of fun. I'd say it was worth it. It was alright, well, mostly. Peanut, what about you? Yeah, I did too. It was a neat thing to talk about with everyone. Awesome. In that case, we'll do the same thing tomorrow. And maybe you'll learn something from your friends too. So your poems will turn out even better. I think to myself. I did learn a little bit more about the kinds of poems everyone likes. That means I can at least do a better job impressing those who I want to impress. I nod to myself with newfound determination. Peanut! Let's walk home? Sure, let's go. Sayori beams at me. It truly has been a while since Sayori has spent this much time together. I really can't say I'm enjoying it either. Sayori? What about what happened earlier? What do you mean? Between Yuri and Natsuki? Does that kind of thing happen often then? No. That's really the first time I've seen a fight like that. I promise they're both wonderful people. So you don't hate them, do you? No, I don't hate them. I just want your opinion, that's all. I can see why it didn't make good friends with you. You know, Peanut, it's nice that I get to spend time with you in the club. But seeing you get along with everyone is what makes me the happiest. And I think everyone likes you too. Really likes you too. That's... Every day is gonna be so much fun. Look, at least I already stopped caught to the past situation I'm stuck in. Sure, being friends with everyone nice, but doesn't really need to stop there. I just have to see that teacher help Sayori. I pat Sayori on the shoulder. I said that more to myself than her. But it's easy to use Sayori as a eternal monologue sometimes. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna make the poem before I stop this episode. Hopeless. Oops. Along go. Along go. Okay, then hurry. Sparkle. Ribbon. Candy. Poppy. Kitty. Bubble. Kawaii. Yamasi. Treats. Skirt. My eyes. Playground. Bliss. Lollipop. Pink. Kiss. Heart. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop this episode here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want, and have a good day. Goodbye.